My name is Phil Smith. My research sits at the meeting point between performance and geography. And some of the time I spend reflecting on what happens in the world from what the geographer Doreen Massey might have called a satellite view. And then publishing some of those reflections. Most of my research involves me using some kind of performative walking, bodily immersion, or participant observation. Combined with desk-based research, I test ways of teasing out the narrative dynamics of spaces and how those spaces can be intervened in performatively, subversively, or reverently. And I've called this practice mythogeography. My research ranges across disparate fields from site-specific dance, theatre and performance, tourism and counter-tourism, the English eerie, a resistant and performative walking, the mythos of Romero's Living Dead, meditational movement, walkable prose, pilgrimage, and how to articulate trauma, ecological and social, in the city. My research methods are immersive ones. I'm often present and very much with my subjects. In reciprocation, it's only right then that I make my findings accessible and usable, not just so they can be critiqued, but so they can be deployed by performers, activists, academics, therapists, teachers, and walkers. So I publish a lot of my work in handbook form, passing on ideas, tactics, and techniques for others to use. For me, the acid test of my research is not what I have done, but what others can do with it.